Hello everybody and welcome to the TTVJ YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss Ortofon's new MC X40 phono cartridge, do a little review of it here. I was very excited when Ortofon announced their new MCX line of moving coil phono cartridges and ordered up a MC X10 and an MC X40 for our shop, and look forward to checking them out and see what Ortofon had been up to. Well, no shock to us, Ortofon came through with something really special. We did a review of the MC X10 a while back and saved the best of the MCX series, the X40, for now. I wanted to start off with their introductory cartridge to give it a fair listen, and I'm very impressed by what it does for an introductory cartridge and at its price point. After spending time with the X10, I have to say I had very high hopes for the MC X40. Visually, it looks much the same as the MC X10, with the exception of it says X10 on the side of the cartridge. There are many differences, but they really require a much closer look. First, playing in the groove is a new Shibata stylus mounted on a boron cantilever. This is a significant upgrade over the X10's elliptical stylus and aluminum cantilever. So what do these upgrades mean for the X40? The Shibata stylus has a long vertical contact line along the groove wall, much greater than the small point contact of a conical or elliptical tip. This extended contact surface allows it to trace modulations more accurately, especially toward the inner grooves where distortion typically increases. Because it is in contact with the larger area of the groove wall, tracking's smoother, and the stylus exerts less pressure per square inch on your precious vinyl, reducing both record and stylus wear. Its lower effective mass enhances transient response and tracking stability with dynamic passages. It recovers micro details, harmonics, and spatial cues that otherwise remain buried on some other styli. Compared with the elliptical design on the X10, it provides greater treble extension, lower inner groove distortion, and enhances stereo imaging. It sounds more open, textured, and lifelike, most notable with acoustic, classical, and audiophile pressings. When correctly aligned and paired with a high-quality tone arm, it delivers reference-grade vinyl playback with excellent clarity and minimal wear to the stylus and to your vinyl. The boron cantilever also takes the sound to a higher level by combining exceptional rigidity, low mass, and inertness, which translates into ultra-precise signal transmission and detailed sound. The new Shibata and boron cantilever are an excellent match that complement each other. The Ortofon MC X40 phono cartridge is an affordable moving coil cartridge that brings high-end detail, speed, and musicality at a price point far below flagship model pricing. It way outperforms its price point. The MC X40 delivers well-balanced sound with impressive transparency across the frequency spectrum. I heard deep and controlled, very tight bass actually, without being bottom heavy or overbearing. It sounded in balance with the mids and the highs, and of course reflected the quality of the recording. The highs offered great presence without being sterile or bright. Instruments sounded lush and realistic. The X40 delivers a wide and open soundstage with pinpoint imaging. It really imaged very well. Rock sounded great with punch and liveliness, and complex classical tracks were delivered beautifully. The music remained cohesive regardless of the vinyl I threw at it. In addition to the new Shibata and boron cantilever, the X40 utilizes high-purity silver coils, and a honeycomb-structured steel frame is treated with physical vapor deposition, which they call PVD, surface treatment, applied to enhance surface appearance and maintain material integrity over time. The magnet system is newly developed by Ortofon and is integrated into a single pole cylinder to improve efficiency. The cartridge's mechanical dampening system uses in-house rubber compounds to minimize unwanted vibrations and achieve low distortion and focused tracking. And it tracked very well. I put some wavy records on there, and it handled them very well. The MC X40 is the flagship of Ortofon's new MC X entry-level range, performing far above its price point. Some have drawn a comparison to the MC Verismo, and cartridge costing several times more. Now, I own a Verismo, and though it is a bit better all around than the MC X40, it showed well in my comparison listening. The MC X40 is balanced, detailed, and lively, making it a genuine rival for products well outside its price category. It also walked all over the Quintet Black, which I also own. So anyone with a Quintet cartridge can, in my opinion, make a significant upgrade to the X40. Probably any of the X channel, or probably any of the MCX cartridges are going to be an upgrade over their counterpart from the Quintet series. Setup, as always, with the phono cartridge is critical to get the best from your vinyl rig. The recommended vertical tracking force for the Ortofon MC X40 is 2 grams. We verified this, and this will get you optimal tracking with low distortion and good dynamics. Careful alignment to set the correct tracking angle and azimuth is key for the MC X40 to deliver its reference level sound quality and tracking ability. The MC X40 is a bit taller than some other cartridges, so some tone arms may require adjustment in the vertical tracking angle to accommodate its height. It has threaded mounting holes, which make mounting easy and helps to secure the cartridge nice and tight to the head shell. Like all the MCX series cartridges, the X40 has an output voltage of 0.4 millivolts. Recommended load resistance is greater than 50. We found 50 to 100 ohms worked very well, and has an internal impedance of 6 ohms. We tried it both with the standard Sutherland Insight MC phono stage and the Sutherland Little Loco transimpedance phono stage. The low internal impedance allows it to work well with the transimpedance phono stage. So it made a very nice combo with both of them, but with the Little Loco, of course, it did sound better. The X40 cartridge weighs in at 8.6 grams, making it suitable for a wide range of tone arms, favoring medium to light effective mass arms for best resonance control. We used a TAC TN5B turntable that we feel is very good and priced and quality appropriate for the MC X40. They made it up very well. It was easy to set up, it was easy to use, and it sounded great on that turntable with the tone arm. The MC X40 sets new expectations for the money and sonic performance, delivering lively, realistic sound without being harsh or having accentuated coloration. The music flowed naturally with soundstage and imaging stability, and its steady musical presentation won me over. My time spent with the X40 made it an easy recommendation for an upgrade for those seeking moving coil cartridge sound with ultra high-end pricing. To wrap this review up, the Ortofon MC X40 stands out for its studio-like detail, dynamic response, and balanced tonal presentation, embodying Ortofon's tradition of top-notch engineering and value. For serious vinyl listeners wanting high-end performance at a more accessible price, the MC X40 is a top choice in today's market. Current pricing for the MC X40 is $1,149. You can get it from us. We'd be happy to sell you one. We can highly recommend it. It's a beautiful, rather inexpensive MC cartridge.